Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. The diagram shows the graphs of g of x is equal to ax squared plus q and f of x is equal to mx plus c. This is g of x, this is f of x. R and S are the x-intercepts of g. T is the y-intercept of g. Graph f passes through R and T. Calculate the values of a and q. So actually we're finding the equation of g of x, right? So we're given the turning point, the coordinates of the turning point, and any other point. So what we do, we say g of x is equal to ax squared plus q. So the y coordinate of the turning point is our q. The y coordinate of the turning point is q. So it means g of x is equal to ax squared plus 8. And then we substitute the other point that we're given, the other point on the graph, any other point on the graph. So point S there is the point on the graph. So where there is g of x, we put 0. Where there is x, we put 2. So it becomes 0 is equal to a2 squared plus 8. Okay, and then becomes negative 8 is equal to 4a. And then a is equal to negative 2. Therefore, g of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 8. We have to find the value of a and q. So a is negative 2, then q is positive 8. The other way we can do this, remember we found the coordinates of r. We said r, the coordinates of r are negative 2, 0. So we can start with the equation y is equal to a, x minus x1, x minus x2, where x1 and x2 are the intercepts. So we have y is equal to a, then x minus negative 2. This is negative 2, so it's minus negative 2 will give us positive 2. And then here, minus 2, this 2 here, so it's going to be x minus 2. These two binomials, they lead to difference of two squares if you check. So y is equal to a, x squared minus 4, right? And then we can substitute the other point that is given, which is t there. Where there is x, we put 0. Where there is y, we put 8. So 8 is equal to a, and then 0 squared minus 4, which is just negative 4. And then we have our 8 is equal to negative 4a. Then we get that a is equal to negative 2. And then we can put our negative 2 here, say y, which is g of x. G of x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 4. Okay, g of x is equal to negative 2x squared, then plus 8 after distributing the negative 2 there. Then therefore, a is equal to negative 2, then q is equal to 8. That's another way of doing it.